locked yet.
Think you figured it out?
I think I figured it out.
Well, look.
Right here.
So Red thought she figured it out, but she definitely did not figure it out. Okay, so by this point, we had figured out that it was my lifters. We decided we were gonna go to Napa and get some seafoam and see if it could break it up and maybe my lifter would come loose. And yeah, this is kind of like the only thing I could try. Lifter problem? That guy just asked Red if she'd give him a ride on her bike. Got the things. Let's hope that this works. And maybe we'll do a swans. Yeah, I'm like, is this like a Vegas shot or you know what I mean?
Utah shot.
What kind of, yeah, Utah or Vegas shots? It's probably a Utah shot. It's probably a Utah shot. God, I hope this works. I feel like this is just part of like the memories that happened on the road. Should I just run it, or you think we should ride back?
I mean, you're gonna have to run it to see if we can get back there.
So let's just ride back.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so the goal was to leave to Portland by like 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. so we could get there before it starts raining, but looking at my bike took a while. So it's about 11:30 and we are gonna try and book it and get there before the storm comes in, which is gonna be about 6:30 or so. So we're gonna be kind of close. Red, are you ready for this shit?
Spin always is a great adventure.
I don't want to dump all this on my lap.
Oh my god!
It's so tempting.
We just left Ontario, Idaho, and now
Oregon.
or Oregon. Yeah, same. And now I don't know really where we are at. We're past Baker. Where we're at, I'm not really sure where we're going. We're at the Sinclair.
Following red.
We have 300 miles to Portland. 12:30. We're gonna leave here in 5 minutes and boogie another 100 miles. My motorcycle is not making the same clicking sound, so I think the seafoam did clear up whatever was going on with my lifter, at least for now.
How are we feeling?
Okay, I was like just really not okay. I don't know why. The road before that was beautiful, but like my feet were numb, my whole body hurt, just like something about that leg was not sitting with me right. And sometimes you just need to get off your bike and lay down. Final leg to Portland. We have 100 miles left. There's just something so powerful about mobbing down the road with your girls. We're flying at 95. I've not been on a trip for a while and I just like really needed this. Just being able to go and be on my bike, riding in a pack with my girls, and getting away from everything that's crazy back at home. It's really a chance for you to just trust yourself. I made it to Portland, but my bike is still making that sound. It is not good. It got better for a little bit. So I'm looking for somebody to hopefully take a look at my bike tomorrow and see what's up with it. It's a problem with one of my lifters. Probably need to take my motor apart. So if anyone has any advice on a good V-twin mechanic or somewhere I could take it in Portland, please let me know. Well, at least my bike is still cute when it's broken. Well, we made it to Portland. I got an IPA. And this is how you know that we're in Portland. But everybody cleaned up nice. Looking sexy as hell. Yeah, you guys look gorgeous. We're all honestly on the verge of hangry because I think the only thing made today was our continental breakfast at like 9 a.m. So things are getting weird until we get some lunch. But Victoria's food and
Yeah, we are.
I know we're physically here, but that
All right, so we're in this hotel, which is most definitely not the hotel. Red, you didn't